Hey everybody, this is Shelley with Simple Stories. I just wanted to do a quick video to show you one aspect of my cute little Valentine coupon book using one of the flip albums and the new Sweet Talk collection kit, of course by Simple Stories. And I have used a little bit of the cut apart cards out of here, so I'm going to show you something I thought would be really neat. I wanted to incorporate the Scattered Hearts stencil as some part of the design. I just really like the scattered hearts and the way that they look. So this is the front cover to show you that. Now this little guy here and this little scallop base is actually from the card kit that comes with the kit, or comes with the collection. So that's just a couple of the pieces that I pulled out of there. Then I used some of the foam stickers, a little bit of the washi tape on the bottom, so I thought the cover turned out so cute. Of course, I made my handmade bow there for the side. So when you open it up to the front page, you will notice all of the scattered hearts. Okay, I wanted the first page when you open up just to really be just a little bit different, just something a little bit different than just a standard page with a card inside of it. So what I did is I took the scattered heart stencil, removed the page protector from the album, and then of course taped everything off and then placed it, and I'm just going to pretend like this acetate sheet is part of, just pretend that is the page protector. I have these Fly Max paint markers. This is a 2.5 millimeter medium point white oil based pen, so it is one that you have to shake up. And so all I did was I just simply went in over the entire front of this and colored in. Okay, colored in with the pen, and it didn't leak through or anything, so you can see it's very nice and clean looking there. So then after it had dried, I took my Barely Art Precision craft glue and then just went over, and I'll show you how this looks when you do it like this, and just kind of colored in over just a little bit, just kind of color it in like so, and then took just some crystal fine glitter, really any kind of glitter would work, and then just shook it over that. Okay. And so then after that, this is what it looks like when you shake. And I worked in small sections just so that my glue wouldn't dry. This glue does dry pretty quickly. So anyway, so after all that was dry, then I went back and added some of the Color Vibe sticker foam letters. The little birds there are also from the card kit. And then just added the red paper that is from the 6x8 paper pad. And then the rest of the cards are either the sheet of the 2x3 cards or the full 4x6 cards. So then I just went in and added, then that way you can come in and make a note, just a little note, I love you, and you know, whatever you wanted to put on there, your favorite dinner, cooked, car wash. This one is pizza date. So I tried to kind of keep it with the theme of the cards. I used the different sticker letters from the Color Vibe sticker books. Breakfast in bed. This is a cute little Pop-Tart. I love you from the bottom of my tart. So again, I used the letters just to spell that out. So you could actually come back and maybe make a little printed coupon for the back and slide it in there, or they could just actually use this as their coupon. And I also added pieces over the page protector too. So I like to go back maybe with a little bit of hot glue and just attach that to it, or just use this glue for like stickers, just to make sure it's going to have a nice stick onto the page protector. And then I just did some in between, just kind of plain. Just thought those were cute. If you wanted to add pictures to it, you could do that. This little guy too, he's from the card kit. So you're my favorite movie buddy, so you could put some movie tickets in there, or promise of a movie, or Netflix, or Redbox, anything like that. Then just another one that's just kind of plain. I just thought that was really cute. Let's Dance. This might be a dance night or free dance class or something. And then on the very back, you're the peanut butter to my jelly. So another one where you just come in and add whatever kind of coupons you wanted to add to the back. So that is what it looks like. That is the finished book. So anyway, I hope you will give this a try with the stencils and the paint markers. I just think it worked out really cool how it turned out. And even if you don't want to glitter over it, it still makes a really nice effect. I'll show you again what it looks like when you're, I shook the glitter off of that. But even when it's not glittered, it still has a really nice coverage. And again, these are Fly Max paint markers. This is the 2.5 millimeter medium point oil based. Make sure you get the oil based. And I got them in a pack of 6 from Amazon. So if you want to go in there and pick those up. And I will follow this up with all of the step 3 pictures.